This is Julia's chicken, and today we will be cooking. What will we be cooking? The lobster, yes, the lobster. Now, can anyone tell me what the first ingredient is?
The lobster.
Right! It is the butter. The lobster comes second.
Oh.
So we get the butter, we put it in. Then we need the mayonnaise. I have 100% real mayonnaise, haha. Then we need the salt for extra flavor. And now we need the lobster. I will go get the lobster. Here's the lobster. Isn't he a gorgeous lobster? What is your name?
I am Louis the 16th.
Oh, are you a king?
Yes.
Do your people like you?
No.
Continue to execution! Now we let it simmer.
No, I don't really want to simmer.
You're going to freaking simmer.
No.
Bonk. Okay, now we let it simmer.
No, I don't know what.
Now it simmers.
No.
Now it will simmer.
No. No.
Now it will simmer.
No.
Okay, that's it. Put up your dukes.
All right.
No.
No. Oh, help. I'm dying.
What do you need?
Help. 15 minutes later. Time is still going. We're waiting. And now the picture opens. Hi. Thank you for watching.
Are we done